Hello, Prepsters. This is me, Janvi, wishing you a very warm and a very happy new year. Like every year, I know all of you must have taken some new resolutions for this particular year. And likewise, we at Prepinsta have also resolved to not just educate you, not just prepare you for placements, but also transform your personality into new and better one. And how are we going to do that? So we have come up with a plan of introducing more videos for you, which is going to inform you about new skills, new job, new companies, and so on and so forth. So are you ready with us? Come on this journey with us and you are going to completely transform your personality along with Prepinsta, right? So for this video, as you've already read the title, we are going to talk about top 6 skills for the year 2023 that are highly in demand by the top giant companies. Let's start talking about them. So the first skill that we are going to talk about is cloud computing. Yes, you heard that right. With the increasing amount of data that is being generated around the year and by all the people, the need for more storage is also amplifying. And because of that, the need for cloud computing skills is increasing for all of the top tech giants. So if you have some knowledge about AWS or Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, you are going to be one of the person who is going to be more sought after by the tech giants. So yes, cloud computing is going to be one of the skills that can get you on the top ladder of success if you get this skill in the year 2023. So cloud computing is on number 1. So let's talk about the second skill now, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is also known as AI/ML. Yes, there has been so many debates whether AI or artificial intelligence can replace human intelligence in the near future. Now that is going to be a topic for some other video, but right now we are going to say that the skills or a person which is highly skilled in AI/ML is going to be valuable for tech giants and all other tech companies, because artificial intelligence is a very vast area. For example, let's take the examples of traffic cameras. Like you have seen a lot of automatic traffic cameras which can detect whether you're wearing a helmet or not, whether you have exceeded the speed limit, or whether there are bumps on the road, right? So that kind of software, those kind of intelligence, if introduced in a lot more varieties, can definitely take over the human intelligence someday. So if you are highly skilled in AI/ML, you are going to be a very valuable person or an asset for any tech company, right? So let's move towards the third skill. Any guesses? The third skill is going to be DevOps. This is a combination of two work areas, development and IT operations. Now we know that in a lot of companies, in a lot of big companies, there are several software developers who are instantly developing something new over the day, right? And then there are IT operations, a lot of IT operations that needs to be fulfilled. But because of the gap between the balance between the developers and the operations, the company somehow feels that they are lagging behind. So in order to keep those two combined together, we need some engineers who can work as development operation engineers, right? So if you can be someone who can handle the two parts of the development and of the IT operations together and bring the company into the forefront, the DevOps skill is for you, right? So try to indulge more into DevOps, and that can be one of the skills which is going to be sought after by the companies in 2023. Okay, let's move towards the fourth skill over here, which is cyber security. All right. So like all of you know that these are the times when people are falling a lot of prey to cyber attacks, cyber frauds, which is online frauds or online attacks. Now, cyber security deals with such attacks, which helps you to protect your confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer systems, networks, data against any kind of cyber attack. So if you can be someone, or you can be fruitful to save someone's personal informations online, then cybersecurity is the skill for you. A lot of companies do look for cybersecurity engineers. For example, Internet of Security, network security, cloud security, etc., etc. So the scope in cybersecurity is very, very high. So if you can indulge yourself and involve yourself into cybersecurity skills as well, your resumes are going to be on the top list with the other resumes as well, right? So cybersecurity can be a skill which you can definitely include into your resume. All right, so stop over here. We have a bonus skill for you along with cybersecurity, which is blockchain. Yes. So blockchain is a distributed database or a ledger that is shared among the nodes of computer network. In simple terms, for example, let's say that you have 10 personal informations, right? So the blockchain engineers, what they do is they distribute your information in different blocks, right? And then they store those blocks into different systems. So if one data has been breached, the other data cannot be breached again or cannot be misused, right? So that is how blockchains are going to help. And if you think that you have some interest in saving people from cyber frauds or saving people from being from their information being breached, you can indulge into the skill of blockchain. Blockchain is a part of cybersecurity, but however, blockchain personally has seen a high boom into the systems, right? So yes, definitely blockchain can be a skill that you can acquire along with cybersecurity being the main skill. Yes, blockchain and cybersecurity is going to be the top rated skill in the year 2023, right? Okay, so now we have come towards the end of IT skills. Now we are going to discuss some two non-IT skills which are again highly in demand by all the companies, and you are going to know why. So the fifth skill that we are going to talk about is digital marketing. Yes, so you know that digital marketing has seen a great boom since COVID had struck us back. Why is that so? Because a lot of companies have given up their offline presence and have transformed themselves into online, right? And because of that, since it is digital marketing, that means anything that is happening digitally or is happening online is going to be affected by it, right? So you can be an SEO analyst, you can be a content writer, you can be a content developer, you can be every other thing. You can get into ads, right? So let's take an example of digital marketing. So have you scrolled something or a shopping app, right? And the moment you move towards a social media platform, you instantly see the same items or the same category of ads on the social media platforms as well. We all have been through that, right? That is digital marketing. So your information from the app is transformed into the social media app. You don't know how, but there's a lot of calculation that goes behind. So if you want to understand the magic of digital marketing, this particular skill can be your go-to skill for the year 2023. Finally, let's come towards the last skill of the video, which is a soft skill. Yes, now soft skill over here, we are not going to talk about any particular skill, but a number of soft skills can be a personality enhancement skill, right? So yes, your technical skills are very important, your analytical skills are very important, but your personality, your proven personality, which is brought in front of the interviewers or the people that you meet, is highly important. So soft skill is the new turnaround in an IT industry where a lot of interviewers look for a good soft skill person, right? So if you have good communication skill, good leadership skills, good personality skills, you are going to be among the selected candidates. So if you want, we can make another video about all of the important soft skills that you should learn. But for now, soft skill is a complete criteria which you should again try to get into and mention that in your resume, so that your resumes have a higher chance of getting selected and sorted than the ones who do not have any soft skills in their resumes, right? So yes, we have all of the 6 plus 1 bonus skill for this particular video. Let's quickly count them down. So we have cloud computing, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have DevOps, we have cybersecurity plus a bonus skill of blockchain, we have digital marketing, and then we have soft skills as well. Right. So these are all of the 6 skills that we have talked about. If you want to know more skills, if you want to know which companies look for which type of skills, then we can make a video on that. So make sure that you're putting down all of your requirements and your queries in the comment section below, and we can pick up some good topics from the comments and we can create a videos on that as well. So thank you so much for this video. Make sure that you're subscribing and liking this video. Also comment below if you want some new videos as well, and we will try our best to come up with those videos which you want to watch. Thank you so much. That's it for this video.